Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the
StoneGate right here.
StoneGate,
Arts and Education Center.
Bedford, Indiana. We got ourselves an Otis Hydrofit. Ah yes, we're going up to here, go up to 3. It's a nice building. Hopefully this elevator was installed on later. If you look at street view of this old what this building used to be, this building awfully did not have an elevator. They added a third floor to this place, but still, it's a nice elevator. It's new Series 2. And we're gonna be through here. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.